guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a way to decorate your entryway. So, as you can see, my entryway is kind of narrow. So, my door is just the span of the doorway. I was a little nervous at first about if I could decorate it or not, because this is the first thing people see, so you want it to feel inviting and open. And so a few tricks on how to make that happen is I do not have any windows in the front of my home at all. So this is all walled in. I chose a mirror over my entryway to create sort of like a shadow of a window illusion to create light in my space. I also picked a sideboard that was narrow in its width of the entryway, so that way whenever I walked, it didn't feel like I was like closed in, and I put it right in front of the door. So because the closet door, so that way there's definitely clearance, but it doesn't feel tight in any kind of way. Obviously it is also a mirror, but if you don't like this style, as long as you get one that is narrow in size, you can definitely accomplish this look. Other little things to put in your entryway are candles. Remember, I always group in 2 or 3, so high-low. Looks great. A lamp, and it just looks super inviting and open. And like I said, it doesn't feel claustrophobic in any kind of way as long as you pick something narrow. This is only, if you look at the floor in reference to my sideboard, it only takes up 2 tiles, width of 2 tiles. So it's not very wide at all. And my most favorite thing in my entryway are my gold holders. This is my fabulous umbrella holder that I got from the gallery. It is my absolute fave, and it's right here in my entry. So again, it's really inviting, and that is a way to create an inviting space right when you walk in, because again, this is the first thing your guests see when they come to your home. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. Hope everyone's living just fancier.